Open page number 108. Adverbs. Yes. Adverbs. Definition I gave you in the last period. Yes. When we were having yesterday, the last class, I gave you definition. So I hope it is clear to you what is adverb. Adverb describes verbs. It tells us more about verbs. Okay. Verbs are action words, and the words which describe verbs are known as adverbs. Like he walks fast. So walk is verb. And how she is walking? Fast. So fast is adverb. Okay. Shelly sat quietly. Sat is verb, means action word. Now, which word is describing this action word? Quietly. So, quietly is adverb. Yes. Sanya is, yes, Sanya is very hungry. Sanya is very hungry. So, here hungry is verb. Which word? Very hungry. So, very is adverb. Yes. So adverbs are those words which describes or tell us more about verbs or action words. Okay. Now there are different kinds of adverbs. Adverb of time is there, adverb of manner is there, then adverb of frequency is there. So we classify adverbs into different categories. First kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, now underline the definition which is given on page number 109. Adverb of manner, it says adverbs that tell us the manner in which the action takes place are called adverbs of manner. For example, if I say stay here, so here means you have to stay here, don't go somewhere else. So here is adverb of manner. If I say the puppy follows the lady everywhere, now where the puppy is following the lady? Everywhere. So everywhere is adverb of manner. All right. Then go and sit there. Where you have to go and sit? There. So there is adverb of manner. Yes. Who has a question? Tomorrow, no, tomorrow, yesterday. Tomorrow hasn't come yet. I gave you definition the previous class. Now today you Beta, let me finish the class first. I will tell you what you have to write in your copies. Why you are in so hurry? Okay. Yes, you have to write the kinds of sentences in your copies, the definitions and examples. So first is kind adverb of manner. Put a tick mark and underline the definition plus three examples are given there. So you have to write the definition of adverb of manner and three examples. Stay there. The puppy follows the lady everywhere. Go and sit there. These are the three examples. No, no. Okay. Okay. The choir sang sweetly. The artist painted beautifully. Please cross the road carefully. Yes? Sweetly, beautifully, carefully. Adverb of manner. These three sentences you will write as example of adverb of manner. Okay? Then adverb of place. Adverb of place definition you will write. Adverbs which tell us where the action takes place. This is known as adverb of place. Stay here, puppy follows everywhere, go and sit there. These three examples for adverb of place also you have to write. Okay? Then third comes adverb of time. The adverbs which tell us the time when the action has taken place, then that word is known as adverb of time. Now, what are the examples? The party will begin soon. Sahil was absent yesterday. So, these are the words which are telling us the time. So, definition of adverb of time and examples you have to write. Are you putting the tick mark, all of you? Okay. Then the fourth one is adverb of frequency. The adverbs that tell us the frequency of an action means how many times the action has taken place. Frequency means the different time. Okay. The frequency, how many times the action has taken place, then it is known as adverb of frequency. Now, what are the examples? The magazine is published fortnightly. She is always late. Two examples. Yes, two examples are there. Okay. So you have to write the definition and these two examples. Clear? So these are the four kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Adverb of manner tells us how the sentence or the action word has taken place. The manner means sweetly, sadly, happily, boringly. Then adverb of place tell us the place where the action take place, inside, outside, here, there, everywhere. Then adverb of time tell us the time when the action word has taken place, like today, yesterday, tomorrow, fortnightly. And then frequency, adverb of frequency tell us how many times the action word has taken place, fortnightly, weekly, right? Then always, never, she is never late, she is always late. Okay, so these are the four kinds of sentences. And what work you have to do in your copies? You have to write, put the heading on a fresh page, kinds of sentences, write the definition, example, definition, example, definition, example. Clear to everybody? This much work you will do today. Exercises we will do in the next class. All right. This much work is clear to everybody? Clear? Okay, Rita. Okay, thank you.